What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are going to be doing these walls today. So you saw yesterday we were able to get the floor all finished and went together pretty good. You know, just like I said yesterday, filtration goes right here. We'll lift these up, put filters in. Chris is starting to get these rails, the little channel iron pieces that the wall will slip in. So that's what we're, take a look at that. But yeah, hopefully this goes pretty smooth.
Hey,
I think that's gonna be our new joke. So anyways, that's where we're at. We'll keep you guys updated with the time lapse, and yeah, see you guys soon. All right, guys, quick update. Let's see what we're doing here. This front door frame. Obviously, we run these channels in the back side of this wall. Make this little cut right here.
But what are these for, Jared? This one we're gonna cut is gonna go from the wall sitting here vertically. They're gonna go along the edge for the other wall to snap into to make the corner.
So that's,
and then the leftover piece goes on the ground to hold the bottom of the door frame where it needs to be.
So that's it, guys. Quick little update. Hope you guys are enjoying so far. Alright, guys, well, you've seen the time lapse. You see where we're at. That front piece was not light. I'll tell you that right now.
Not one bit.
It wasn't like it was heavy, it was just awkward in the wind. Started blowing.
True. Forklift helped though.
No, that was a lifesaver.
Yeah, so forklift was a big deal.
Well, it's coming together. You know, you obviously can see that they're just big panels that just slide into one another. We're trying to find nice, smooth, clean panels for the
scratch.
Yeah, unscratched. So you guys remember when we unloaded that
the shipping container?
The container, all those panels fell off of the load, so they're all scratched up. I don't know if you can see any. Probably hard to see with the camera.
They didn't clip the straps and say this ain't going nowhere, so actually, they didn't even put any support, did they?
No.
No straps, no anything.
Nope. All the glass broke that was in between them.
Just slid all over the place.
But I mean, you can see all the damage here. But that's all right. They'll be in the paint booth.
It's really easy to paint stuff inside the paint booth.
I was gonna say I'll just take some nice pearl white or something, put it right in there. But
neon green.
Neon green. That would be sick. So that's where we're at. Just want to give you guys a quick update. But
We need to finish these walls, man.
yeah, get these walls finished up, and we do still have to cut the lights out in the somehow. So there's styrofoam that are inside these things. So
I ain't worried about it.
Chris isn't worried about it. I told him we should do it while it's still laying down like this, but he's not worried about it.
Nope.
But all right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, gotta bend this little lip down. Kind of match the ones that we've been slipping in here.
Look at that, that's perfect. You done this before?
A little bit. A couple Bronco bodies. Who would have thought? Just like factory OEM. It's factory plus.
Factory Plus? Is everything Factory Plus now?
Yep. Day.
So guys, we just got the lift inside. That's the 4-post. It's supposed to downpour tomorrow, so outside work has been canceled. As you guys know, it's gonna go right here where the stairs are, and we're gonna move the stairs over. Jared's getting shy, he doesn't want to be on camera, but yeah, we're gonna put it right there. But let's see what we did today. So most of the stuff that was sitting right here is gone. We still have the blowers and whatnot that need to go in, all the roof pieces, obviously the heater, but oh, that sun's bright. Yeah, I know, right? Most of the booth is done. We're able to get these corners lined up really well. Yeah, so the whole perimeter is done. We also have some of the roof pieces in, the support. We thought that was important to throw those in before the storm tomorrow, just so it doesn't blow over, having no support. But yeah, that's about it. So yeah, this will be the entry. So we thought it'd be nice. We could be able to take an enclosed trailer, back it right up into here, drop the gate, roll cars in, or we do have the ramps, but they're removable. But yeah, not too bad. Obviously this thing sustained a bit of damage on the trip here in the container, since nothing was strapped down inside.
I can't all that damage over those falling over.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. And that's why these floor pieces are scraped up too, because everything got scraped up. But yeah, I think that's it. We back tomorrow. Gonna put the 4-post in, avoid the weather as much as possible.
Get on another project.
Yeah.
Get away from this thing for a minute. Had enough of the Broncos.
Yep.
Come out here, now got enough of this. We'll go work on the lifts.
All right, we'll roll the outro.
All right.